Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check PayPal limit removal. So let's start. I'm here on my official PayPal account, and if I want to remove the limit, let's go to our settings. So let's go to settings on account settings here, and when we are here, just wait a little bit until this is ready, and then we have to go to the left side, and you will find here the preference payment, and here you can check if you want to limit your payments. Here you can update it if you want to limit, so you can click, and if you prefer not have limit, you can click on no and accept everything if you prefer. So you can check everything here, and then to save it, and let's back to our profile, and that is how we can remove the limit in our PayPal account without any problem. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.